Hi, I'm Zach, and this is our model, Mr. Manny Quinn. Today we're going to show you how to fit and adjust your Comfortland back brace. You will have received either one of our Discovery or Endeavor back braces. They come in this nice black bag and they'll have the labeling on it. Today we're just going to use the Endeavor. Both these guys adjust and fit and function the same. So we're just going to show you this one. All the backs come in a nice little black bag like this. You're going to pull it out, and inside of that there should be another little plastic bag with some labeling, barcodes, and things on it. And inside of that you're going to have your back brace and any other materials that came. You should receive an instructional set like this. And then some of them will actually have a little plastic bag that has these in there as well. These are going to be side panels that we can show you how to use a little later, but for now we're going to show you how to adjust and fit the actual back and the waist itself. Okay, to adjust your back brace, the easiest way is going to be to take and unvelcro the back flap here with the lettering. Just fold this out of the way. You're going to see this pulley system here that has these two strings that come off. You're going to want to take and get these two strings, and to kind of get them out of the way, what I normally do is just attach them down here to this little piece, and that'll just keep them out of our way while we're adjusting the waist size. Now Manny here is pretty skinny, so we're going to have to take it down a size. I believe they come preset at large, but if you look in here, this is going to be how you adjust the waistband. It has all your sizes, and you basically find the size you need. For Manny we're going to do a medium, but you could go all the way out to the 4X, and you're going to want to fold it over to where the medium is, lift it, put it here, and then once you get to that point you can reattach this little piece here. And just like it says on this, attach Velcro underneath and press it firmly. And that's going to reattach it. Now to do the other side, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to unattach it. We're going to look at our sizes here. We're going to find our medium, fold it over, and then just put it right back like it was. Press down firmly. At this point we have adjusted the waistband. We just need to do a couple other things to finish up this part. I'm going to take your two guys here, you can just kind of stick them on the sides here loosely, and then you take this back flap and reattach it there. And we have fit our back brace. And now that we've adjusted for the waist size, we're going to actually put this back brace on. You're going to go back over here. If you do have the side panels that we put aside earlier, at this point you can take them and just Velcro them right on the insides like that, and then that'll be, ready to go. At this point you're going to take the back brace. This is the back panel, so you're going to center it on the back. You're going to wrap it around. On the front side, the right part of the belt will actually have Velcro that you can wrap over and attach to the left side. At this point, the only thing you need to do to provide the final tightening is take these two thumb loops, and you're going to want to pull them out and away, and what that does is it's actually going to tighten our pulley system that we were looking at a little bit earlier. And when you do that, it's going to do this and really tighten them up well for you. And so at that point, once you pull them out, all you got to do is then attach them to the front of the belt like so. And that is it.